أبدا لن نحيد أبدا لن نحيد أبدا لن نحيد عن خطى الإيمان. دربنا درب قويم دربنا درب قويم بالهدى القرآني. أبدا لن نحيد.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aishah An-Nur, and today I'm going to be saying some 3 du'as. They're really good du'as. So let's just get right into it. The first one is a dua for help. So first I'm going to be saying the Arabic, then I'm going to be saying the main. Allahumma afini fi badani, Allahumma afini fi sami', Allahumma afini fi basari, la ilaha illa ant. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-kufr wal-faqr wa a'udhu bika min adhab al-qabr, la ilaha illa ant. So the meaning of this dua is, O Allah, grant my body help. O Allah, grant my hearing help. O Allah, grant my say help. None has the right to be worshipped except you. And O Allah, I take refuge with you from the disbelief and poverty. And I take refuge with you from the punishment of the grave. None has the right to be worshipped except you. So again, this dua is for help. So the next dua is for protection. So it is, same thing, Arabic than me. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. The meaning is, in the name of Allah, with whose name nothing is harmed in this earth nor the heavens. He is the all-knowing, the all-seeing. The next dua is like a pleasing dua. You are pleased with the whole religion thing like that. You'll please Allah like that. So let me say, رضيت بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبمحمد صلى الله عليه وسلم نبي ورسول. So the meaning of this dua is, I am pleased with Allah as a Lord, I am pleased with Islam as a religion, and I am pleased with Muhammad as a prophet. You say Wabi Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wasallam, because when you hear the prophet's name, then you have to say sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So that's it for today. Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
درب قويم دربنا درب قويم بالهدى القرآني. أبدا لن نحيد.